Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar gained 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World shares were mostly higher ahead of an update on US consumer inflation and a meeting of oil producers in Vienna. US futures rose and oil prices also advanced. The UK published notices encouraging crypto users to voluntarily report unpaid taxes to avoid penalties. A 2022 government survey showed 72% of crypto owners in the UK had not read its crypto tax guidance. But ignorance won't count as an excuse for tax evasion, according to experts. The euro fell after Eurozone inflation eased by more than forecast this month, fueling bets of early European Central Bank rate cuts, while the dollar rose from a 3-month low, but was still set for its biggest monthly drop in a year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Austrian gross domestic product will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1500 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GPB NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.